Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to know if someone is stalking you on Snapchat step by step. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more app tips and tricks. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app. First, launch the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on the location icon at the bottom left. This will take you to the Snap Map, where you can see the locations of your friends who have their location enabled. Step 3. Zoom in on the Snap Map to see who is around you. Use your fingers to zoom in and check the area around your current location. If you notice a specific person appearing frequently, it could indicate that they're monitoring your location. Step 4. Check if someone is frequently near your location. If the same person seems to be near your location often, it might be a sign that they are keeping track of your whereabouts. However, keep in mind that some locations, like schools or workplaces, can naturally have multiple friends nearby. Step 5. Now back to the home screen. Tap on the Messages icon. The Messages icon is at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to open your recent chats. Step 6. Open a conversation and check if the other person has read your messages. If someone is stalking you, they might be quick to open your messages. On Snapchat, when a message is opened, you'll see an opened label with a timestamp. Step 7. Notice if they frequently send you messages, snaps, or calls. If a person constantly sends you messages, snaps, or calls, even when you don't respond, they might be keeping an unusually close eye on you. Step 8. Back to the home screen again. Tap on your profile icon at the top left. This will open your profile page where you can check your stories and other settings. Step 9. Scroll down and tap on My Story. Your story shows everyone who has viewed your posts. This is a great way to see if someone is constantly watching what you post. Step 10. Post a story and check who views it frequently. After posting a story, wait for some time and then check the viewer list. If the same person appears at the top of your viewer list frequently, they could be watching your stories more often than others. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.